Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be looking at boats. We're gonna be checking out boats around here. We're gonna be looking at boats. So stay tuned. Let's check out some boats. So first on our list is, so we have this one. For those of you who love boats, I'm not a boat guy, but request comes in and we have to do it. This sits at $650. This is it, guys. It has a motor in the back, Mercury motor. I don't know if we should climb up in it. Just so you guys can see how it looks. This is it. Yep. So I don't know the brand of this one. I cannot lie because I'm not a boat guy, but it sits at $650. It's on its own trailer carrier, so it's good. So let's look at the next one. So this is another one, much smaller one. It says $450 for it. Yep. It has an engine. Boat guys, this is the engine. This is it. It says stain gray. I don't know the engine capacity for it, guys. I don't know that, but this is it. This is it, guys. So let's take a look at another one. This is another one, guys. This sits at $850. $850 for this one. $850, guys. Yeah. This is another one too. $850, guys. This is $850. You have your engine right here. Yep. You have your motor over here. This is it, guys. Let's take a look at a much bigger one. Look at this one, guys. Look at how it's designed. I really don't know what is this, what this one is used for. It's a boat or fishing board or regular board. I don't know, but this is it. This is how it looks. It's so high I cannot climb up in it, but this is it. Much bigger one, guys. Yep, this place is right next to the highway, so cars are flying the highway. This one does not say how much is it, but this is it. Hell, it's $2,450. The motor is in the office. It looks clean, guys. It looks very clean. Yeah, it looks very clean. This is it. This is the back of it. I don't know how you're getting it. See in there? Because it's so high I can't see. Can you see in there, guys? Yeah, this is it. Let's look at this one. This is a bay liner. It's a much smaller one. It has a motor right here. You have a little bed, I guess, in there. Steering wheel. Yep. It looks good. So that's it, guys. That's it for the boats. Let's move over. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. And we will keep bringing you more interesting videos. See you another time.